Hey guys, so this is the makeup look that I've created from Kiara Advani's birthday picture. I guess it was her birthday, or maybe I don't know. But I got the same dress. I ordered the same dress. 800 rupees or 750 rupees for this dress. And oh my god, the quality is like, it's not so bad. It's very stretchy. If you create an account with the link that I provide, you'll get 500 rupees in your wallet. This dress is like 750 rupees, and also new user will get like 20% off or something, so you will get this dress for hardly like 300 or 250 rupees. Doesn't matter what you order. So there are lots of options. It's quite minimal makeup, but it's very natural. It's like clean girl kind of makeup, clean girl, also classical kind of makeup. So going to do our hair, and we're going to pick out our handbag and shoes. Here's the dress and makeup. I'm gonna find her makeup pictures from this day on Google, because on her Instagram we only have like a full body pic. But as you can see, her base is slightly glowy, so like glowy dewy skin kind of base. That's what we want. So I'm gonna use very skin type of foundation, and for that I'm gonna choose MAC Studio Fix and 35. And I'm also going to mix a little bit of highlighter. This is from NYX Born to Glow liquid highlighter. I'm gonna mix that. I'm gonna mix this too. Her base, her lips, eyeshadow, even though it looks like pinkish, like natural tint, it's still very cool tone, and she's wearing white outfit, so I think cool tone will anyway go with it. So this is what we have created. First I'm gonna get rid of hair strands. In kabuki brush, I'm just quickly going to blend it out. I'm gonna get rid of my dark circle first, so we have some idea on if we want contour or not. In her pictures, I don't think she has contour, but I'm gonna quickly. This is purple foundation stick in the shade That's Crazy Shopping Spree. And then I'm going to go in with a light concealer from MAC Studio 24 Hour Concealer. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with a translucent powder, because I don't want my concealer to move. I'm gonna do photo shoot for long hours, and then I'm gonna record a few more videos, and then I'm gonna go out. So I want my foundation to stay, and I'm using sugar translucent powder. I'm gonna apply it on my lids as well, so it doesn't crease before I apply my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take then concealer, dark shade concealer. This is from LA Girl Pro, whatever it is, and I'm gonna contour my face with this. You don't have to do contouring if you don't want. As you can see, my face is like so, and I have to look somewhat like her, or at least look appealing in that dress. So I'm just going to apply, and so I'm contouring after a year, and my nose, I guess I'm contouring after like 3 years. So I used to contour when I first got into makeup. In her pictures you can see that it's like contour, or like lighting is like that, but I'm gonna contour. I'm going to double contour, because in her picture actually there is a contour. You can see it may be just lighting, because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take a stippling brush and I'm gonna get rid of that powder under my eyes first, and then I'm gonna go all over my face because I want the contour and foundation to be blended. I'm not applying powder anywhere else because in the picture her skin is bit. I don't think she has applied any powder products, and we won't do that as well. For her eyes, there is definitely some brown or like mauve in the background, and it has like a Korean style like shimmers too. Neutral eyeshadow palette. This is from pack called Last Wish palette, and I'm gonna go all over my eyes with the same brush that I used contour on, so it has like brown tint anyway, and which is good. And I'm gonna mix this like peachy and this brown, two shades. It's too brown, we want more peachy. And then I'm gonna take like a cream color eyeshadow, like skin tone eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend the brown with my actual skin tone with a different brush like this. I think this is good. And now for shimmer, I don't want actual eyeshadow shimmer because she has very, not very prominent shimmer, so I'm going to use a blush that is very shimmery, like baked blush. This is from Milani. This is peachy too, but it has like a reflection. We don't want glitter, we want like shimmer, but we also don't want shimmer like from eyeshadow, so I think this will give us somewhat that look. Yeah, it's very natural, isn't it? We want that. Whenever you're doing photo shoot and if you think you're going to be in front of so many lighting, using a highlighter instead of eyeshadow for your eyes is always a great option, because if you use eyeshadow, if it's very reflective, it kind of looks like you're possessed, especially if you're using cool tone or silver eyeshadows. With highlighter, it has this ability to reflect but also kind of look like it's sculpting. Whenever I'm traveling, I prefer highlighter as eyeshadow, and also I don't want to travel with so many products, so that's the trick I've been doing. I'm also going to apply a little bit of the same blush here, and I'm also going to apply same blush. I'm not applying highlighter, I'm applying blush because I told you it's shimmery and we want that monochromatic peachy pink look. I'm going to apply on bridge of my nose, and for my tip, guys, remember I only applied brown concealer, dark concealer over here, and then I didn't apply anything in the middle for highlight or like bright concealer. I'm not going to do that, just this. And her inner corner looks like she has applied like a frosty white eyeshadow, or it might be just lighting, but let me see different pictures. I think we need frosty white eyeshadow or highlighter. I'm going to use this highlighter palette. This is Sofx Revolution, and I'm going to take this frosty white shade and I'm going to apply it in inner corners only. She doesn't have any eyeliner or like dark black grayish eyeshadow to define her eye shape. I always want to do that because I like when makeup focuses on my eyes. I'm going to take that pink and peachy shade again for my bottom lash line. I was thinking just like a baby pink lip shade, but her lips are not like natural pink lips that we Indians have. She definitely has like cool tone lipstick on. I'm thinking this lipstick, it's very cool tone pink, but I also don't want my face to like look wash out or gray, and that's why I'm going to top it off with a shiny lip gloss kind of lipstick. This is pure pink. It is too cool tone. I feel like it's washing out my face, it's making it look gray, but let's see, I can always wipe it off. Mixing this two will be perfect pink shade that we want. I'm gonna let this one dry, and then I'm gonna apply this from Manish Malhotra. This is Sunset Sienna lipstick. This is like their high shine formula, and this has like a glossy finish to it. While it dries, I'm gonna apply my blush, and for my blush I'm gonna use cream blush because obviously we're avoiding powder products today. The shade will really go with our today's theme. Let me have this. Packaging is terrible. I wouldn't suggest you to buy this product for packaging only, but shade is just amazing. This Kabuki foundation brush again, and I'm gonna apply. It's very lightweight formula. Now this is dry. I'm gonna apply second layer of this. Oh, the combination of these two is just perfect for my skin tone, and I think it matches with what she has on. This is not very full coverage lipstick. That's the reason the background cool tone pink is coming through, and that's what we want. I'm gonna do brows first. This is from Colors Brownie Fiber Mascara for brows. And now, because we don't have much eye makeup, I would actually prefer false lashes, but I don't think she has false lashes on, so we're gonna do just mascara. Mascara on my lashes just don't look any good, but you see that minor difference. I'm not gonna do my bottom lashes because if I try to do, I'm gonna ruin my makeup for sure. Makeup is done. We're finally going to do dress. Let me show you the dress. So we have this dress here, and I'm gonna see the quality of it. I mean, it's pretty much like Shein. This is the website that I ordered from. It's exactly the same dress she wore. I'm not sure if she wore it to promote this website. I'm not sure about it. But if you guys want to buy this dress or any clothes from that website, they are pretty cheap. This dress was hardly like 750 or 800 rupees. And if you guys download the app from the link that I provide, you will get 500 rupees in your app wallet. So you can use that 500 rupees plus early bird 20% discount. That also I will mention in my description box. So you can basically get this dress for hardly 200 or 300 rupees. So, or you can order anything else as well. Okay, nice. It has straps, and back we get this is long. Let me try. So in the dress, this is the full picture of the dress. This is still a bit too exposed for me. I might wear a jacket on top of this, but in the picture she doesn't have straps on. I'm assuming she just tucked them in. Actually, I like them with strap. I think with the dress, this whole makeup is coming through. I mean, this is the before picture with my bathrobe, and this is with the dress. Now that, you know, cool tone undertone that we've used is now coming through with white dress. It looks good now. I think eye makeup is also not so bad. I mean, we want something that looks natural, and I think she and I have very similar skin tone. Now we're going to do our hair. I washed my hair 3 days ago, so my waves are almost gone. Now she has very long, luscious, wavy hair. My hair is not very long, but we're going to try and add extension. And I'm also going to curl. I'm going to do my waves now. By the way, guys, I'm using heat protecting serum from KTEIN. I love their curl defining spray too. This is the one that I've been using. I usually use this curl defining spray on my damp hair. It keeps my hair curly or like wavy in my case for like 2 days. Also, this is like leave-in product. You know how much I love leave-in conditioners, so that's a plus. I love their product. I love their product because all of their products are 100% natural based, plant based, with no chemicals. And to be honest, most interesting thing that I find in this one is that it is made with South Korean fermented oil and mix of Indian Ayurveda ingredients. It doesn't have any synthetic color or paraben or sulfate, no chemical, no alcohol. I think they are available on Flipkart. They also have their own website. I get no commission if you buy this product, so you know I speak the truth, man. You can always trust me for an honest review. I think they're running a giveaway right now. I'll link that one down below if you guys want to join for that giveaway and try your luck. I guess this much. I think now is the time for extension, and this extension is already slightly wavy. What is this? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna part my hair and I'm gonna now let's see. I think this is the best that we're going to get. Let's try and take pictures. Okay, so for accessories I was thinking silver because gold doesn't go with our makeup, but she doesn't have any accessories on, so I'm gonna just take off mine. I don't think I can take off my necklace because of my nails. So this is the handbag that I'm going to use, and this really goes with my dress. In the pictures for her heels, it's like gold stiletto kind of heels. I don't have gold heels, but I have something that looks as just as elegant and it will go with the dress. Look at this. Wait, I have never worn this before, so this will look good. This is like maroon shiny stiletto. Yeah, it's just as good.